All right, so let's keep talking about the basics of geometry, perimeter and area in a coordinate plane. So we're going to start off talking about a figure that lies in a plane, which in geometry we call a plane figure. And a polygon is a closed plane figure formed by three or more line segments called sides. And we need three or more because if we have two, they don't close. Each side intersects exactly two other sides, one at each vertex. So we're talking about polygons, and poly means many, gons means sides. So keeping it easy. So let's look at side BC. Well, it intersects exactly two sides, side AB and side CD at vertex B and vertex C. So here we got side BC, and here we have vertex C. So this is what we're starting with for polygons. Now when we're talking about polygons, we need to know what kind of polygons, and they're split up into two categories. Convex, which is when no line that contains the side of a polygon contains a point inside the polygon. Or concave, and it's a polygon that is not convex, meaning that a line that contains the side of a polygon contains a point inside the polygon. So let's look. So if I take my first one and I extend the sides of my polygon, I can extend them out forever, as lines will do. And at no point do I go inside my polygon. Since I stay always outside, it is convex. But if I take this side here and extend it into the line that contains that segment, it does go inside. So this polygon is going to be concave. An easy way to remember it is you can go inside a cave. All right, so then after we figure out if they're convex or concave, we want to name them by the number of sides they have. So if it's got three sides, which is the minimum, it's a triangle, which most of us should already be familiar with. If we have four sides, it is not automatically a square, but it is a quadrilateral. Quad meaning four. Five side is a pentagon, like where the Defense Department has their headquarters, called so because it has five sides. Six is a hexagon. Seven is a heptagon. Eight is an octagon. Octagon. Nine is a nonagon. 10 is a decagon. And 12 is a dodecagon. Then we have n. And in math, usually when we have n, it means number. So everything else we're just going to call an n-gon. So if it's a 17-sided polygon, it is a 17-gon. If it's 122 sides, it's 122-gon. Because there's an infinite number of possibilities and we got to be able to account for them all. So n-gon was invented. So let's work at classifying these polygons. So how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. And if we can extend a side inside, which we can, it is concave. So why don't you, as we do all these other ones, pause the video as we reach it, name it, classify it, and then start the video to see how you did. So this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. Makes it a hexagon. And none of the sides of the polygon extend inside, so it is convex. Here we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a pentagon. And extending the sides into a line. No points inside. Convex. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 sides is a dodecagon. And if we extend the side, it goes inside. It is concave. One, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. Pentagon. And if we extend a side, we get points inside. So it is concave. 4, 5, 6, 7, just keep counting, is a heptagon. Let's extend all our sides. Nothing goes inside, so therefore it is convex. So now that we're experts on polygons, we can get prepared for the next video.